scenery, man. They have buses going and picking people up and taking them to vote.
Then that not strange. None you know that, you know. And years and years now. You never know that. Then you never know that. It's a common thing in the Caribbean. Politicians get a bus, full it up of people, and carry them from election booth to election booth. And then vote over and over again.
You're right. Well, I hear in Jamaica, miracles just happen at election time.
Be careful where you go talk about Jamaica, you know. Be careful.
Well, you know the story about Lazarus raising from the dead. Well, I hear in Jamaica at election time, hundreds of dead people get up and vote. And after election, not... You know how reggae started?
Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Of course I know. I'm born in reggae. I live in reggae. And I'm going to dead in reggae.
Reggae started in Trinidad.
What that you say, boy?
Reggae started in Trinidad. No, wait.
No, man.
You know Byron Lee?
Of course I know Byron Lee.
Well, you know that he used to play for the Mighty Sparrow.
Oh, Lord, common knowledge, common knowledge.
Good. Well, one day, Byron Lee had recorded some tracks for the Mighty Sparrow, and he went back to Kingston to play it. Because, you know, back in them days, we had no studios in Trinidad.
And you still don't have any now. Very good story.
Thank you, thank you.
Very good story. But that's all it is, a story. And make me give you one piece of advice. Do not tell that story, make a Jamaican hear you.
And you better don't tell that story about Jamaican getting the idea for pan in Trinidad or you're dead. Because everybody know that is we thing, we invention, and we just lend you the reggae.
You start a full argument again. I can tell you something.
Look, man,
I'm a serious man.
sit down now, man. Sit down. Shut up. Open your ears and listen to this.